Okay, I'm Jabari Leacock and welcome to my tutorial. Today we will be installing Windows Server 2008 using Oracle's Virtualbox. I already have this program open, so I'll just click it here. Alright, so you want to click New. You want to give this an appropriate name, so I'll name it Server 2008. Type Microsoft Windows, but in the future, if you want to install another operating system, you have choices here. Version would be Windows 2008, and we'll choose the 32-bit. We leave this as is, and we want to create a virtual hard drive now. We'll be selecting VDI. Okay, at this point, there will be two options, dynamically allocated and fixed size for the storage on the physical hard drive. I'll be choosing the dynamically allocated. Okay, I'll just change this. However, you can select any size you would like. Create. Alright, so we just go to settings here quickly. So as you can see, name Server 2008, type Microsoft Windows version Windows 2008 32-bit. Go to network. You want to attach this to the NAT. Alright, so display. We'll leave everything else as is. Okay. Click OK. I want to click Start here. At this point, you would want to select your ISO. So mine is located in my ISO files, and we'll be selecting Windows 2008. Open. I'm going to click Start here now. Okay, at this point, the Windows is loading the files, as you can see here. So it'll take a while, so have some patience. Alright, so we leave this as is. English, yes, next. We will install now. Okay, so this will take a while, so just have to wait. Okay, it's up. We'll be selecting the Windows Server 2008 Enterprise Edition. Click Next. We'll accept these terms. Next. And we'll be choosing a custom. But as you can see, you can choose upgrade because it's grayed out. And at this point, we would partition our drive. Okay. And when we say partition, what is partitioning? Alright, so partitioning is the act of dividing a hard disk drive into multiple logical storage units, referred to as partitions. So to treat one physical disk drive as if it were multiple disks, so that a different file system can be used on each partition. So we click Drive Options, we click New. So we just want to cut this in. Let's cut this in half. 20. Right. Click Apply. Okay, so we'll just format this partition here. Okay. Right. Select this. Format this as well. Alright, so we want to click next here, and we will begin to install. Okay, so it's expanding the files. This would take quite a while, so just wait. Okay, so the expansion of the files are coming to an end here. So we just wait for the other things here. Okay, so during this time, the Windows would restart. Actually, it would restart a couple of times during the installation, so just have some patience. It has installed, so it will ask for a password before logging in at this time. So click OK, and you'll choose a password that you can remember, one that has characters and numbers. Alright, so here you'll type in your password. Let's try that again. Right. Password has been changed. Okay. So I have installed Windows Server 2008 32 bits Enterprise Edition. So wait a while because it's still loading. So now we are going to configure Server 2008. To start, I'm going to come to the control panel. And we would like to select Network Sharing Center. Okay, so we let it turn on Network Discovery here. Apply. Yes. Let's wait for this here. Let it turn on file sharing. Yes. Let it turn on public folder sharing here. Apply that. Yes. And we let it take off password protected sharing. Right. So now we come to manage network connections here. Right click on the local area connection network. You go to properties. And we are not dealing with IP version 6, so we'll uncheck this box. select this IP version 4 here, go up to properties, use the following IP address, and we will give this an IP address. We'll put 192.168.0.1. Certain mask will come up. I will give the default gateway as the IP address. It's the same as the IP address. So 192.168.0. So we do this because in the future, when we install other Windows operating systems, example Vista XP and Windows 7, we would like all these to communicate together simultaneously or run simultaneously. Sorry. So you click OK and close this. We like to change the name of this server here, of the computer name, sorry. So we name this server 2008. Okay. So the prompt you to restart your computer. Okay. Right. So put in your password. Let's go back to network and sharing to make sure we have configured this correctly. Alright, so as you can see, all files are over here. Control panel, you can share in the center. Okay, so we have successfully configured server 2008. So I would like to thank you for viewing this video and see you again next time.